Holy buckets, it's a cold one outside. Whew. Sun needs to be a little warm. Good thing I got a little fire going here. Ugh. Fire in a barrel. Oh, she is a nipply outside. I got a pin in my pocket. What does that mean? It means I was running errands yesterday. I forgot to put a pin back. Oh my Lanta, Jerry is in. She got all excited when she's like, oh, we get to stay outside for a bit. Not sure if that's the greatest idea when it's this cold. Below zero for sure, because you can always tell when you get that little crisp on your skin. Yep, that's below zero, sure shit is. Walking, I'm not going to do the whole property today since it's so cold. Well, I might, I don't know. Lots of tracks, not Jerry's. A bunch of bunny rabbit traps, or tracks. Don't have any of those traps, but I definitely will if the world comes to an end / apocalypse. I'll definitely make some traps for rabbits and squirrels, and I will put them right back here by the Falcon barrel. Easy peasy. Oh, wow. Trying to find some other tracks besides. Oh my God, is that a deer? No, that's not a deer. Besides rabbit tracks, and Jerry's are easy to spot because we don't have any small wolves around here. But coyotes, yeah. Probably not this time of year, but I haven't heard any coyotes since summertime going on in the city. Gotta hear that crunch. So satisfying. Where'd Jerry go? Well, I think Jerry wants to go in already. There's a rabbit. What the hell? I'm not sure they're deer tracks. Not really sure. They're definitely not too small to be deer. What's that guy? Kind of looks